Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford F-150, that generation between year 2015, 16 and 17 guys. If you have one of those, you need to find where the fuse for the AC compressor clutch is located. That fuse guys, you may have two fuses that you need to check. Stay with us, we'll explain where they're located, where you can buy cheap fuses from and relays so you don't pay a ridiculous price for those things. And number three, why it's important to test them so you don't waste your time and money. All that will be covered in this video today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car that we'll get here at the garage, we'll try to make every single fuse video and show you where it's located. Why we do that? Because if you're in the middle of the road guys, in the middle of nowhere, and you need to find that fuse specifically, it will take you a shorter amount of time to just search for that video instead of looking for the manual in your glove box. And most of the times people lose their manuals. And if you don't know which fuse, let's say, to replace for ignition coils, fuel injectors, fuel pump, you may be just stuck in the middle of nowhere. So that's why we are making all these videos guys. We're constantly working here at the garage. We're taking things apart, as you can see. And if you want to check out guys, we have 3 channels that altogether have more than 1.1 million subscribers. Okay, we have all the mechanical work there. This channel that you're watching right now, we're going to list the fuse videos here so we can save you guys time, money, and we can make it conveniently for you guys. So let's start on it now. So right here guys, we have a 2016 Ford F-150 that we'll be demonstrating on specifically. We have 2 fuse boxes, but we'll need to work in the fuse box that's located under the hood. Once you open the hood, you can see that's the radiator overflow tank. That's your car battery. If I zoom in a little bit more, behind that car battery right here you have a fuse box guys, and that fuse box, if you look at it, you just open that cover and you're going to have a fuse box that looks just like that. And that will be the front of your F-150, that will be towards the windshield, the back side. Let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays now. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So you can see guys, you have all kinds of fuses, relays here, and if you're in the middle of nowhere, you blow a fuse or a relay, you may have a hard time finding one of those. You don't want to be stuck in the middle of nowhere guys. Small towns may not have them, so I would recommend to keep some spares inside your glove box guys. We will put a link in the description of the video below where you can buy fuses, relays, and you can get them at a really good price. Check it out. So now, which fuses we need to check? 2 fuses will need to be checked for the AC clutch compressor. Right here, it's one of the fuse panels, this one. If you come in that left row from top to bottom, 1, 2, 3, that third fuse right here, that 10M fuse, is for the AC clutch. This is known as fuse number 44 guys, that you will need to check specifically. And then we need to come in that fuse panel right here. There is one more that you need to check. It will be right here, 1, 2, 3, that third fuse, which is known as fuse number 97. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.